Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to the settings, then go to system, go to system and go to language. Here select system languages. By default, system language available is English India. If you want to add more language, yes, you can do it. Add a language, click on add a language and select any other language of your choice to be added. If you again click on add a language, you can choose another language. I choose now Tamil India. You can choose different languages. Up to 5 language I have selected as of now. So many languages can be added like this, and the selected language can be applied. Okay, if you move those language to the first position, as of now English is in first position, so language is in English. Suppose if you move Tamil to the first position, and it will ask you to whether to change or not. Click on change and language will be changed now. Now language is in Tamil. See here, language is in Tamil. Okay, so to change back to English, go to bring English to the first position. Go to the same settings, system, then language, system language, and move English to the top one. And yes, now selected language has been applied, and English I have bring back English to the first position. Okay, so in this way you can easily change language in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.